Hey everyone, welcome to Forcebolt's YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will showcase one of the apps that we created called Utility app. This app comprises the functionalities of 3 apps in a single individual app, including world clock, timer, stopwatch and steps count. So let me begin with the client's requirements. The client wanted us to create a full-fledged application that is simple and easy to use and comprises the functionalities of 3 apps in one single application. World clock to keep track of times across the globe, stopwatch to measure the time of any situation, timer to quickly start a timer and utilize the visual representation to stay focused on their task, and steps count to track your steps and count your steps. Here are the technologies we used for the app development. Here are the steps we followed to create this app. First, analyze client's requirements. First, our project coordinators and project manager team coordinated with the client to comprehend the project requirements and analyze the end goal depending on the type of the app the client wants to develop. Second, prepare wireframe of the app. Then our business analyst prepared a wireframe of each screen of your app showing you all the screens, features and functionalities. Third, designing. Our UX designer focuses on the interaction between design elements. In contrast, our UI designer designed the look and touch of the app with graphics, perfect color combinations, and iconography. Fourth, development. At this stage, the app development team came into play. The development team started developing the app with the required features and specifications. Fifth, testing. We tested the app using different testing methodologies to ensure that your app is bug-free and working correctly on all the devices. Sixth, deployment. Finally, we deployed the app to our client's server and released it on the app stores to make it available for all the users. Let me show you the demo of the app. Overview. When the application initially opens, it will show us a launch screen. After that, onboarding screen will appear that contains 3 screens as shown below. These screens give an overview of the app. Third, after clicking the Get Started button, a login screen would ask for the user's email and password. Here, users can also sign in with Apple, Google and Facebook. If the user has already signed up, then they can use their credentials for login, otherwise they need to sign up first by clicking on the Sign Up button. On clicking the Sign Up screen, the Sign Up screen would appear where the user can sign up in-app. Fourth, after successful login, the first screen would be of World Clock, where we can add or delete time zones of multiple countries. If you want to add the time zone of another country, then click on the plus icon and it will show the list of countries. Just click on the name of the country whose time zone you want to display on the screen. If you want to delete a time zone from the screen, you could swipe left to delete an individual country's time zone, but click on the edit button if you want to delete multiple time zones at once. Then select countries and click on the delete icon. Then those countries' time zone will be deleted from the screen. Fifth, the next tab is of step counter. When we click on step counter, a pop-up will come asking for permission to use motion and fitness activity. For the measuring step, you should allow this. We can also set a goal that today I will cover that many steps. After setting goals, when users start walking, they will fill the circle based on the steps covered. This app can also keep a record of steps covered on weekdays and in months. Initially, the app doesn't have any data, so the week and month tab is collapsed, but it will expand and collapse when it has data. Sixth, next tab is stopwatch. On clicking stopwatch, new screen would appear. On clicking add goal, you can set a time for running the timer. After setting the time, user needs to start the timer. As the time passes, circle animation starts working. Next, you can select stopwatch. You can also add laps to the stopwatch. Seventh, next tab is of setting where the user can log out from the app. On clicking logout, a pop-up would appear to confirm logout. On clicking OK, it will move us to the login screen again. In the backend, we used Firebase for authentication as well as for storing users' steps records. Here is the screenshot that displays the sign-up users' details. That's all about this project. So, if you are also looking to hire the best mobile app developers to create native Android and iOS apps, we have an experienced mobile app developer team to customize and develop applications using the latest technologies and advanced strategies. Contact us now.